Amazon shoppers. I'm here today to unbox and review for you the OUTON LED floor lamp. It's energy saving and has a lifespan of over 50,000 hours. It comes with directions and a remote control. First, I'll need to show you how simple it is to assemble this lamp. It has a sleek, elegant gooseneck lampshade, and each section of the lamp just screws into the other. It literally only takes about 5 minutes. It comes with a stable metal base that keeps the lamp firmly planted, and it stays balanced on low pile carpet or hardwood floors. It also comes with an AC power cord. I'll just put the finishing touch on, and then I can show you how it works. The adjustable gooseneck allows you to face the lamp whichever direction you like. It's very sturdy and will not flop or sag. You can operate the light simply by touching the controls on top of the lampshade. Or you can use the remote control. The lamp has 4 color temperatures and 5 preset color mode settings. It has an awesome memory function that will restore your luminance from the last selection that you used. It also has a 1-hour timer. The lamp is anti-glare, it doesn't flicker when you turn on, and it is dimmable. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you again soon.